Before a CVC tool is used to install a jumper, the hubs onto which the connector is going to be locked need to be cleaned to ensure that no debris interferes with the sealing mechanism of the connector. For that operation, a special tool called a hub cleaning tool is used. It is operated with an ROV manipulator. The ROV is positioned above the hub and inserts the hub cleaning tool into the hub bore. The cleaning profile of the tool matches the taper profile of the gasket seal area, allowing the gasket seal prep to be cleaned thoroughly. The ROV rotates the hub cleaning tool until the debris is clean from the gasket prep area. The tool uses an abrasive media for cleaning to ensure all of the debris is removed. After the hub is cleaned, the ROV removes the tool. The hub is inspected with the ROV camera to ensure that no debris is left in the hub. The CVC tool can now be used to install the jumper onto the hubs.